Okay, so this is what we created yesterday. Now you can see there are four buttons to click. Okay, the first one is to create, then edit, then details, and then new.
Okay.
So today we are going to work with that.
Okay.
So let's first create the create one. Okay, first click on create new. Now you can see in the URL, it is going to first home, then create. Okay, so how
Okay.
URL works? First it will go to your controller, then the action method it has, and then the view it has. Okay, this is the flow. So you can see home, then create. It means you have to create an action result method with the name create. Okay,
Okay.
stop
Okay.
the run. Okay, go to your home controller. Okay, after line 18, press enter. No, after line 18. Okay, uh, create another action result method with the name create. No, you have to write public action result create. You can see the syntax in our method, how it has written. Create, C capital. Yes, now return view. Okay, now we have to create the view of it. Okay, right click on create,
Okay.
add view. Yes, okay. In the template drop down, you can see create. Then, yeah, it has directly selected your data context file. Now you have to use the model class, that is your student. Okay, yeah, it has directly selected that. Okay, so add. Okay, so you can see it has created your whole view. Okay, let's just
Okay.
go and run the program. Okay, so this is your name, gender, age. This is your create view. It has to create it. Okay, click on back to list.
Okay.
Okay, now if you click on create new, you will go there. Okay, now
Okay.
you can see if we fill the information in name, gender, and age, you have to press create. Okay, and
Okay.
this create will submit all this information in your database, right? So to do this, you have to go through some of the API functions. Okay, we are not going to
Okay.
create API just now. I'm going to just tell you what are the main API functions. There are four main API functions. The first one is get. Get is to get or take anything from your database or server. Okay. Then you have
Okay.
post. Post is to submit something in your server or database.
Okay.
Then you have put. Put is to update anything in your database. and then it
Okay.
is delete. Delete, you can know delete is to remove or delete anything. Okay. So now if
Okay.
you click on create, it has to perform a post function. Okay. Post means it has to submit something in the database, right?
Okay. Yes.
So you have to create another method for this post one. Okay, click on create. Okay, so right now it cannot post anything because you does not have any post function. Okay, uh,
Okay.
stop the program. Open your SQL server and connect it. Yeah, connect. Okay, now you can minimize it. See, you have to have an on connection with your server to perform any changes.
Okay.
Okay. So now go to your home controller and press enter after line 23. Okay, so we are going to create a post method. Okay, so you have to specify that
Okay.
first. Okay, open square bracket.
Okay.
Yeah, HTTP post. Okay, press enter. Again, create the create method. Public action result create. No, curly brace is on. Okay, so now you can see now there are two create methods. Okay, so how your program will distinguish between them? So first of all, this HTTP post method will be only be working for your buttons, which should have a post method. Okay, uh, and your previous create method has a view, so it will first prioritize your view method and then go to your this one. Okay, because you are not going to create a view for this HTTP post. Okay, let's work into this. First, under the parenthesis, you can create an object. Student S. No, under the parenthesis, after the create. Yes, student space S. Okay, so you have just created an object of your student class. Okay, now under the
Okay.
curly braces, write db.students.add s. See, okay, add one more line after it, db.save changes. Yes. Okay, now you can see when we have worked with the forms, uh, you can see we have to create a number of lines for this thing. Okay, to take the data, then to store it. Right. Now here you can just do it with
Yeah.
these two line of codes. Okay, you don't need anything else. What these two
Okay.
lines are doing, line number 27, it is taking the data you have given to your student test, okay, and adding that data to your database, and then it is saving the changes. Okay,
Okay.
right now it is giving an error because extern result needs something to return. Okay, so press enter
Okay.
and write return view. Okay, uh, now let's check something. Put db.save changes with a variable. Write int a. Yeah, before db. No. Before db, write int a equal to, yes. So see, it has a return type of bool. Okay, 0 or 1. If it has saved the changes, then it will give you 1. Otherwise, it will give you 0. Okay,
Okay.
so press enter after line 28. Yes. Let's create an if condition. If, under parenthesis, a is greater than 0, it means if all the changes are saved in the database. Okay, then curly braces on.
Okay.
Okay, now write view bag v capital dot insert message is equal to inverted commas. Yes. Write a script tag. No, a tag. Yes.
Wait.
Then script. Then close this tag. Then write alert. No, in small letters. Okay. Then parenthesis open. In single inverted commas. Write data insert or data inserted. Anything you like. Then close this. Close the parenthesis. Put semicolon. No, after the inverted commas, put semicolon. Okay. Okay, you also have to close this script tag. Okay, so can I explain what is happening here?
So we're giving a script uh, uh, of giving an alert saying that the data is
Okay,
added inserted.
so we have gone through JavaScript where we have discussed that we can use this alert under the script tags and we can give alert of any kind. Okay,
Yeah.
so here you can see a view bag. Okay, view bag is used to give something from your controller to view. Okay, and after
Okay.
this we are going to use a temp. Okay, we will look into that. That will be used to give something from home controller, something from controller to the controller. Okay, so
Okay.
you have just created this. Then after line 32, create write else. Curly braces on. Just copy line 31 and paste it here. And write here data not inserted. Yeah. So can you understand what we are doing here, we have first applying a condition whether the data is saved or not. Okay, whether the change is saved or not, and then we are giving the message according to that. Okay. Now copy this
Okay.
viewback dot insert message. No, viewback dot insert message. Yes, copy this. Go to your create view.
Okay.
No, create view. Create dot cshtml.
Like,
Your view
okay.
has an extension of cshtml. Okay. No, go at the top.
Okay.
Okay. In the line number 8, press enter
Okay.
and write at the rate html h capital, yes, dot raw, raw, r capital. Then your parenthesis open and paste that here viewback dot insert message. Okay. So every time you are going to use viewback, you have to first give it here that you are providing a message. Okay. And you have to put under this HTML helper function raw. Okay. I've told you that this
Okay.
at the
Okay.
rate is used for your Razor web pages. Okay. These just provide you some HTML helper
Okay.
function to make your work easy.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go back to our controller. Uh, Scroll down. Okay. Press enter after line 31 and here write model state dot clear dot clear. Yes. So what we are doing, as we were working with our forms, we have seen that we are just clearing after submitting the data. Okay, we are clearing all the text boxes. Here you can just do that this single thing. Okay.
Okay.
So now there can be a chance, like user is submitting something. Okay, but it has given name, gender,
Okay.
but not the age. Okay, so we have to get ready for that
Okay.
situation. So press enter after line 26 and right here if parenthesis open, yeah, remove this. Okay, model state dot is valid equal to true. Okay, so this condition is checking whether the data in your S, okay, student S object has all the valid field filled, okay, and according to the requirements
Okay.
also. So just open the curly braces here, press enter, and put this whole code under it from line 31 to the return view. Okay, now run the program.
Okay. There is an error as well.
Yeah, take that return view and put it after if. Yes, here. Okay. Okay. Now create new. Now create. See, there are requirements now. Okay. Now fill the forms, fill the blanks, and create.
Okay.
Okay. Back to the list. Now you can see your data field is created. Okay. It is inserted. But now we want to change
Okay.
something. First thing, it is giving an alert. Okay. Now we want that it will only give us a message. Okay,
Okay.
first thing. Second thing, we want that after we create
Okay.
a new record, then it will come automatically to this page, index page. Okay, so stop the program.
Okay.
Okay, so here in line 33, yeah, remove this view bag, remove view bag,
Okay.
and right here, temp data, T capital, EMP. No, temp data. TEMP. Yes, this one. Remove this period sign, period symbol, dot. Yes. And put this insert message under square brackets. No, no, only insert message. And also under the double inverted comma. Okay. So now this temp data is just doing something. It is giving your alert or message that you are going to give to your controller. Okay, now it is not going to the view, it is going to the controller.
Okay.
Okay, you can comment out this model state line now.
Okay.
Why we are commenting out? Because now when we are going to submit, okay, when we are going to create, it will go to your index page. And if we go again to a create page, it will be cleared. So we don't need this right now. Okay. Now you
Okay.
want that
Okay.
after this, it will go again to your index page. So for that, press enter after line 34. Okay. Write return space redirect to action. Yes, index. Okay. So we are giving it that it should redirect to index. Okay.
Okay.
Index view.
Okay.
Also go to your index.cshtml means index view. Okay. Now, okay, first copy that time data insert message from the home controller. No, only the insert message. Only till the insert message. Yes. Go to your index.cshtml. Yes. Again, after line 8, at the rate html.row, under the parenthesis, paste it. Okay, but now again, it it is going to give us an alert. Okay, you can see how alert is. When you run the program, you have it should blur out all the things, and you have a alert box on the top. Okay, you have to press OK on that. We don't want that. Okay, so okay, first run this. Okay, we will see how it is happening. Yes, great. No, no, no. First print something. That's okay. Okay, so it is going back to our index. Okay, now because of that alert, it is not looking good. Okay,
Okay.
so just stop the program.
Okay.
Go to your controller, and in line 33, remove the script tag. Okay, remove everything. Yes, yes. And right here under the double inverted commas, write data inserted. Okay, so now we are just giving a simple message. Okay, go to your yes index.cshtml.
Okay.
Okay, remove this line. Yes, because now we are not giving an alert here. Using raw is used when you are using the script. Okay, in your controller. So now we are going to provide this message as a
Okay.
paragraph. So first open your p tag, paragraph tag. Okay, right here your that one temp data insert message. Paste it here. Okay, and after p, give a space. No, not here, not here. In your tag. Okay, we are giving some inline style. Okay, let's write style is equal to yes color colon no colon symbol, then let's say green. Okay, and your semicolon. Okay, now go to your controller. Okay, before that, go again in your index.cshtml. You have to use before the temp data, write at the rate. Okay, you have to use this. No, no, just at the rate.
HTML
Okay,
there.
to say that it is of razor type. Okay, go to your
Okay.
controller
Okay.
and run the program. Now create. Okay, now it is going to your index page as we wanted, and it is giving a message data inserted. Okay, So this method is complete. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
wait. Click on edit.
Okay. Okay.
See, you have clicked on edit with the ID one, right? So now you can see in the URL. First, it is going on home controller,
Yeah.
then edit method, and it is giving a value one. Okay. So we are going to create the method for it. Close this. Stop the program.
Okay.
Okay. Scroll down. Okay, let's create another method. Public action result edit. Okay, under the edit, you have provided student s. You have to remove that and provide int id.
Yeah.
Uh, Make the I small. Okay. See, while we are looking in the URL, we can see that ID is passed. Okay, that's why we have to give a parameter here. Okay, first you can write return view simply. Okay, parenthesis open, inverted semicolon. Yeah. Okay. Now press enter after line 46.
Okay.
Okay. Write where var row r should be small. Yes. Equal to dd dot students dot where. No, where. Okay, now you can see your where is coming from your link queue. Okay, it is providing us with some SQL tags, right? SQL clauses. It is
Okay.
from there. Open the parenthesis,
Okay.
write model, m should be small, equal to greater than sign. Okay, model dot id equal to id. Okay. So what it is doing, it is checking whether the ID that is provided by your browser that you have selected is equal or is matching with the ID presented in your database. Okay. I
Okay.
cannot hear you. Are you speaking something? Sorry, I can't hear you.
Yeah, yeah, no, I can. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Okay. Can you now? Hello?
You can write in the chat box.
I can hear you, but no, I can hear you, but I don't know if you could hear me. So,
No, I can't hear you.
Uh, maybe you could.
Okay, let me check.